A rare gem. One-level living in popular Briarcliff community. Features include vaulted ceilings, hardwood flooring, open floor plan, fabulous sunroom addition, fenced yard, driveway access from Briarcliff Avenue and ramp from yard to the back door. Slate entry foyer opens to formal living and dining rooms, both with soaring ceilings. Massive stone fireplace is the focal point for the family room, which is open to the kitchen and sunroom and offers built-in shelving. 2 walk-in closets and a sitting area in the owner's suite. Large shower in the master bath. Roof is just 6 years old and water heater new in 2018. Community park and pool, membership optional, are just down the road. Short stroll to miles of Greenway Trail, near the Oak Ridge Marina and Centennial Golf Course. Minutes to West Knoxville and Turkey Creek shopping and award-winning Oak Ridge schools. Just add your decorator touch and create a showplace. See picture for the rest of the story.